Socket 7 here. This morning I'm going to be going over the use of UPK machine gun pods on the Mi-8. UPK machine gun pods, you can see right here, can only be put on stations 2 and 5 as they are now. And in order to use them, first thing, as with all weapons, you have to turn on the circuit breakers. Turn on all 3 sets of circuit breakers here. Make sure that this mains switch is set to on, and you also have to make sure that this weapon safety switch is set to hot. The one other thing you need to make sure of is that this switch over here, the pod variant, has to be in any position but the gun position. So it can be on 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1. This is all fine. The gun position here is for the GUV gun pod, which we will talk about in another video. In addition to what I've already told you, up here we have a selection that tells us how many rounds are remaining. You can see we've got 125 rounds in the left and the right pods there. This here is your sight light. It allows you to adjust the brightness of this sight here. And in order to select rockets as, or excuse me, not rockets, in order to select the UPK machine gun as our active weapon, you need to flick this switch up here. And when the weapons are hot, you can see that these lights here light up to let you know which weapons are currently active. So if we now take off, we can go ahead and shoot at some stuff. One of the things to know about the UPK machine gun pods is they will only fire in bursts. You can see the bursts that I'm firing right now, and that is the entire speed. You can't make them fire longer, you can't make them fire less. It's just, it is what it is. In contrast, the Gov machine gun pods, you can actually control the rate of fire, not the rate of fire, but the burst length. And that is your tutorial on how to use the UPK machine gun pods with the Mi-8.